Step 1. Place the front bracket on AVU Touch 17. Step 2. Secure the bracket with 4 M10x50 bolts, 2 for each side. Step 3. Insert AVU Touch 17 through the wall, ensuring the front bracket aligns with it. Step 4. Attach the back bracket to the rear. Step 5. Fix the back bracket with 4 M10x50 bolts, 2 for each side. Step 1. Open AVU Touch 17's back door, and remove 4 internal boards. Step 2. Place the front bracket on AVU Touch 17. Step 3. Secure the bracket with 4 M10x50 bolts, 2 for each side. Step 4. Insert AVU Touch 17 through the wall, ensuring the front bracket aligns with it. Step 5. Mount the back bracket on the back of AVU Touch 17. Step 6. Fix the back bracket with 4 M10x50 bolts, 2 for each side. Step 7. Fix the M10x50 bolts inside AVU Touch 17 with 4 M10 flange nuts. Step 8. Close the back door of AVU Touch 17 to complete the setup. Option 1. Exit the kiosk from the hole at the bottom. Option 2. Exit the kiosk from the hole on the back door. Step 1. Remove the board on the top inside of the kiosk. Step 2. Unscrew 2 original nuts from the antenna. Step 3. Let the antenna cables go through the hole on the top of the kiosk. Step 4. Fix the antenna with the original nuts. Step 1. Remove the board on the top inside of the back door. Step 2. Let the antenna cables go through the hole on the top of the back door. Step 3. Fix the antenna with the original nuts. Step 1. Mount the router fixed bracket on the modem. Step 2. Connect antenna to the modem by Wi-Fi cable and 4G cable. Step 3. Insert network extension cable into LAN port. Step 4. Insert the cable 9 volts kiosk wireless modem into DC port. Step 5. Install the modem onto the kiosk cabinet. Step 6. Fix the modem with 2 M5 nuts. Step 7. Sort out cables. Step 1. Add cards. Make sure that cards are put flat. Step 2. Add metal weight on the cards. Pull out the card rejection bin. Put the card rejection bin back in. Hole for cables going through. Step 1. Remove the nut holding the bill acceptor enclosure. Step 2. Move cables, so they will not hinder the installation. 3 screws to fix the bill acceptor enclosure. Step 3. Put the bill acceptor enclosure on the right screw. Step 4. Put the bill acceptor enclosure on the 2 screws left. Step 5. Press down the bill acceptor enclosure. Step 6. Hold the bill acceptor enclosure, using the nut removed before.